Welcome back to the Know Before You Grow series. Today we're going to be evaluating the Mother Earth Groundswell soil. Follow along as we rank, go over the best uses for this product, and give it an overall rating. The first thing that we're going to evaluate is the price. And on our scale, this scored a 5 as it cost $24.53 per cubic foot of soil. Now that we know the price, let's dive into the overall quality and consumer experience with this performance soil product.
Yeah, so the first thing as a consumer, typically we open the bag, you get a smell for that product. I actually rated this one as a 7 for smell. It was really neutral, but it did have kind of a minerally, metallic-y type smell on this one, I felt. But pretty neutral, but I ranked it at a 7.
Okay, and I smelled about the same thing. Kind of that mineral smell, I agree. And almost just like a little bit of anaerobic smell, very, very slight, but I had it scored a little bit lower because of that. So I had it as a 6. We'll go ahead and put a 6.5 in our scorecard and then go ahead and just look at the look and feel. The first thing I'm going to note about the look and feel is overall it's a pretty fine mix. There is quite a bit of perlite in there, but it is more or less finely ground with just a few larger chunks. This soil, I'll note, during the grow out took water really well and had some really great physical characteristics. And so on look and feel, I was flirting with an 8, but I landed on a 7.5 for the look and feel for those reasons.
Yeah, I was right there as well at a 7.5. It has a fine texture, a really nice feel. It does have those bigger perlite chunks, but overall, yeah, 7.5 I felt was a very good score for this particular soil.
So now that we've looked at look and feel, let's go ahead and see how you scored it from a nutritional standpoint.
Yeah, so as you guys know, with any of our soils that we test, we go ahead and run a MySoil analysis on these. For this particular soil, I scored it at an 8.5 for nutrient levels. All our nutrients were at or above the optimal range. Even some of our micronutrients were right up there. So this is a really good looking soil nutrient wise. Our pH was right in range. So yeah, an 8.5 for this soil.
And I had it at an 8.5 as well, and that aligned with the MySoil nutrient density score, which was 88%. So I was at a strong 8.5, flirting with 9. Like Kris mentioned, those micronutrient levels were a bit higher than a lot of the other bagged soils that we've evaluated. So now that we know the nutrient levels, and those scored 8.5, we'll go ahead and jump into Will It Grow. And as you can see, we've got pretty healthy lettuce here, pretty robust tomatoes as well with great stem diameters and strength. I had this from a Will It Grow standpoint at an 8. So really, really strong, good growth through this 7-week grow out to this point. I
scored this one at an 8.5. It looked really good throughout the entire grow. Good even growth. Like Matt said, the stem diameter on the plants is really good. Just a real healthy looking plant all the way to starting fruit production. So yeah, I scored this one at an 8.5. So.
Perfect. Well, I'll get 8.25 put into our scorecard. And when we tally all those up, the price, smell, look and feel, nutrient levels, and the grow out, that gives us an overall rating of 7.15. So a really, really strong performing soil. So with that being said, Kris, how would you put this to use?
Yeah, this particular soil, best use in my mind would be a complete grow. This is something you could put in a raised bed or a pot and get a full grow out of plants. You can also use it to bulk raised beds or even organic matter additions to native soil gardens as well.
Yeah, I agree 100% with Kris. My notes just say plant in it. And so that's probably what would be my use case. Fill a bed, fill a container, and plant in it and watch plants grow. Well, hopefully you learned a little something about this Mother Earth Groundswell. Thank you for recommending this. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll look forward to seeing you again soon in the lab.